Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make long-lasting Mandazi. To begin, selecting the right ingredients is paramount. Always opt for fresh flour, baking powder, and oil to ensure your Mandazi stay delicious for longer. Precise measurements are also key. Using a kitchen scale for flour and sugar helps maintain the perfect dough consistency. This careful preparation sets the foundation for Mandazi that the way you prepare your dough significantly impacts Mandazi longevity. Knead the dough for a minimum of 10 minutes until it is smooth and elastic. This develops the gluten, which is essential for a soft, airy texture. After kneading, cover the dough and let it rest in a warm spot for about 1 hour. This resting period allows the dough to rise properly, contributing to a lighter, more durable Mandazi. Achieving an advanced performance of Love Story involves mastering its rhythm and dynamics. Aim for a steady tempo of around 119 beats per minute. Employ a wide dynamic range, from a soft mezzo piano to a strong forte, to highlight emotional shifts. Strategic use of the damper pedal is crucial for smooth transitions and rich sustain, avoiding muddiness. Pay close attention to rhythmic accuracy and articulate your phrasing to truly tell the song's romantic story. Proper storage is the final step to ensuring your Mandazi stay fresh. Once fried, transfer them to a wire rack and allow them to cool completely. Storing warm Mandazi traps moisture, making them soggy. Place the cooled Mandazi in an airtight container at room temperature. This method helps prevent them from drying out. For the best taste and texture, aim to enjoy your delicious Mandazi within 3 to 4 days.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.